Okay, this is BFT Tools. I want to show you how you can install and also use BFT Tools. If you look at my system, you will see there is no BFT Tools here because I uninstall it so that I will install it also so that everybody can see. So this is the one I downloaded. Let me zoom it in. As you can see, this is the latest version 1.7 is the latest version now. So this is how it will show if you download it or if you send it to your PC because you have WinRAR. So you can copy it like this to your desktop so that it will be easy for you to extract it because we need to extract it now. So look at the BFT tools here. So let me carry it here so you will see it very well. Look at it here now. This is how it will show if you send it to your laptop. So we are going to install it, but please, before installing it, go to your antivirus setting and turn it off. That is the first thing we need to do now. So search for your anti-theft. Okay, as you can see now, then you come down to manage settings. Click on manage settings. Then as you can see, my own is on, so always turn it off before you install any application. If not, the application can crash or the application might not open. So now, as you can see now, let's click on it now. Then this is how you are going to extract it. You are going to click on it. Some people's own might requires password. So if your own require password, I will drop the password on the group. The password is mobile team. As you can see, my own does not require password because of the sites that I download it. So you click on yes. You click on yes so that we can install it now. As you can see, follow me step by step so that you will not see any error message after installing. So as you can see, this is where you now start setting it up. You click on next. You click on next. You also click on next from here. Click on next. Okay, let's click on next. Let's go to the next step now. You don't have to touch anything. You can see this one, they say create a desktop icon, so you have to click on it. Don't uncheck this, if not you will not see the BFT tools on your desktop. So click on next. Just leave everything like that, then wait for it to install. Just wait for it to load. It doesn't take time. It will load. It will finish. As you can see, it has finished. So you will click on finish and look at your laptop. As you can see, the BFT tools has appeared on my laptop now. It's showing on my PC now. You can see, as you can see, look at it here. So it will not open now because as you can see, it's showing failed to check the new version because my hotspot is off. As you can see, I did not connect my hotspot. So let me cut it and connect my hotspot now. So let me connect my hotspot. So you cannot open BFT tools without network. So you should always turn your network on or connect your hotspot to your phone, or if you have Wi-Fi, you connect it. As you can see, it's now connected. It's connected now. So let's click on it now and open it. You will see that it will open. If you are using old version, it will not open. So try and update to a new version. Just download the new version. I will drop the link on the group so that it will be easy for you to install the latest version. So as you can see, let's wait for it to open. I just finished clicking on the BFT tools now. So let's wait. As you can see from here, please don't click on anything. Don't set anything. Just leave it. Just click on login. Click on login. You don't need to select or check anything. As you can see, it's saying login in successful. So just wait for it to load. If it's not the latest version, it will not open. So because this one is the latest version, as you can see, it has opened now. So before you use the BFT tools, you have to install the drivers, but let me show you. This is where you select the models of the phone: Samsung, Tecno, Redmi, Itel. Vivo, all the phones are there. So but before you use these tools, or before these tools work for you, this place you are seeing drivers, you have to click on it and install all these drivers one after the other. So you have to take your time and install it. As you can see, I just click on one now. They tell me next, next, you click on it, install. So they are telling me that I have the drivers already. If I want to delete the former one, but you can press on yes if you want to delete, or you can press no if you still don't want to delete the old one that you have. But me, I have all the drivers, so that is why. So you can install it. And if you don't want to, or you cannot install, you don't have data at a time, you don't want to install it from there, you can install it even without opening the BFT tool. So just right click it, open file location, open your file location, then you will see drivers. As you can see now, drivers, click on it now. You will see the same drivers that was showing in the BFT tools. This is exactly the same drivers that are here. So you have to install them one after the other. After that, you are free to use your BFT tools. So that is how to install BFT tools, and that is how to drive BFT tools. Any other issue you have, you can send me a message. Thank you.